Hey, this is Scott, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a new and very controversial camera, the Canon EOS-R. So first of all, I'm not sure how much you can see it, but my room's kind of a mess right now. I'm just finishing up a kind of full week of shooting for a promotional video, and I haven't really had time to get everything organized yet. I have posted some behind the scenes pictures from that on my Facebook, and I will be posting more probably today, as well as the final video kind of as it's coming together. So if you want to see more about that, check out my Facebook. There's a link for it down in the video description. Also, as this is a obviously controversial camera for Canon, I won't be going into the reasons why I got this. I did get this with my own money. Canon in no way has even talked to me about this camera at all. I wish they had, but I bought this with my own money, and I will be going into more depth about why I did that and what I think the strengths and weaknesses of this are and who it can appeal to in another video. But for now, I just want to get this out of the box because I'm impatient and I just got home with it. So I'm going to take it out of the box, just show you what's included, and then I'll play around with it for a while, and I will make another video or probably a few videos talking about how I feel about it after I've actually used it. So let's go ahead and get this out of the bag and out of the box. If you're in Japan, I recommend you check out Kitamura Camera. Really, they've always been good to me. I've always bought my stuff from them, new and used. Again, not sponsored at all, just I really like them as a shop. But what I have here is the Canon EOS body, of course, and I believe there is an adapter ring for EF lenses in this box. I'll see that in just a moment when I open it up. And I got the control ring mount adapter as well. I thought it'd be nice to be able to take advantage of that new control ring design that they made. I'm not getting any R lenses at the moment, so I want to be able to use my EF lenses. I will also, of course, be getting the ND filter adapter, the drop-in filter adapter, when that comes out, which I believe is in January. And that's kind of a big reason why I really like this, and I'm really excited about this as a system. Not necessarily just this camera, but you know, the R series and what's to come in the future. But I wanted to get into it right from the start and kind of get a feel for it. But I think that adapter will be a really big strong point for this series. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up the adapter first. So as I open it up, there's instructions on top, and it's all bubble wrapped in here. Let's put that off to the side. That's a lot of bubble wrap. And then there's some more plastic around there. And it comes in a case similar to what you get like a speedlight case. Just Velcro's open, and again, they have plastic around that inside of there. Yeah, it looks like an adapter, like a typical adapter. Of course, with the caps on here, it's rather thick. It feels heavier than I expected. It's pretty solid. When you take the cap off, there's nothing in there. There's the electronic contacts, but no filter, of course. Yeah, it feels well made, of course. It's from Canon. And the ring on here is clicked a little bit. I believe you can get this declicked if you pay for it. Maybe it's not free. You can do the same with the lenses as far as I know, but I'm fine with it being clicked for now. And that's that. It's nice that it comes with a little case, so when you throw it in your bag or something, you don't have to just throw it in there like that. It doesn't take up a lot much space, but it should keep it a little bit more protected from scratches or the lens caps falling off inside your bag or anything like that. It's cool. But let's push that to the side and get to the main attraction here, the camera. So as you open up this box, which has not been opened yet, I have no idea what's inside of here. You get some paperwork and your instruction booklet, of course. Let's put that to the side. And then on the top here is just you know, your standard plastic with little indents for all the little accessories here. You've got your battery on top, which is just a standard LP style battery, the same as the 5D series, I'm pretty sure. And you get your charger, which is again just the standard Canon charger, which I already have. I have these batteries and the chargers to spare, so it's nice to have more of that. And you get your USB cable here. There's the little USB cable lock kind of support thing here. Same, looks pretty much the same as you get with the 5D series. If you've had that, the 5D Mark IV at least had that with it. It looks like it works the same way. It kind of screws into the side of the camera, and you just loop the cable through there to have a little bit of a support from that pulling itself out. And I have found that useful. I do use that when I use my USB cable on my 5D Mark IV. So taking that plastic out, there's really not much in here. You know, it's just another plastic form, and I assume that if there was a lens adapter in here, it would be in this space here, which it's not. I thought there was going to be a standard adapter in here, which makes me glad that I got this extra one if there's not actually a standard regular adapter with this, unless it's already attached to the camera. Of course, you get a lens camera strap as well. Looks a little bit thinner than the 5D straps that I've got in the past. Maybe it's a smaller camera with huge lenses if you go for that RF series lens line. It's going to be huge and heavy anyway. But it's the strap there. And then you have your camera. And I'm just going to move the box out of the way and rip this out here. There it is. And there is no adapter on there. So actually in this box I did not get the straight adapter. I don't know if that's because I bought this separately or if it's a Japanese thing or what, but I was under the impression that the standard adapter was included. But like I said, I am glad that I went ahead and got this, because then I don't have any RF lenses and I wouldn't be able to use this if I didn't have the adapter. First impressions, it feels really, really good. I've heard a lot of people saying that. This grip actually I think feels better than my 5D Mark IV. I really, really like that. And my other first impressions, just it's really, really nice looking. I like the screen on top here that you have. I like the design, the colors overall. It's like a slate gray kind of. It's really, really nice. The grip, you know, I was worried this little touch bar in the back might be too obtrusive. And a lot of people complain about that obviously, but I don't think it's going to be as much of a problem as I imagined, honestly, from all the things that people are saying. I guess once I get the power turned on and really see how that feels, maybe my opinion will change. But for now, it's not that big of an issue. For some people it might be, but it feels like it might not really be in the way that much. So I'm gonna have to play around with the different functionalities of that and see how it works. It looks modern, looks nice, and it feels very solid, very comfortable in the hand. Again, sorry, this is literally the first time I've held one of these. I've never even held one in the store. So I'm kind of taken aback by the quality of this. It's really, really nice. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. I'm really looking forward to popping a battery in here, trying this out more, and coming back to you with more of my thoughts, my explanation as to why I decided to buy this. And actually, I traded in one of my 5D Mark IVs to get this. Again, I'll talk more about why. I don't want this to be a discussion just yet before I've actually used the camera about that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to testing this out. So if you have anything in particular you want to see, maybe something that other reviewers have not really talked about yet, or anything at all, just let me know down in the description, down in the comments, and I will make sure to get back to you on that, and I will make sure to keep that in mind while I'm testing this out, so I can hopefully talk about it when I make a kind of further review video, proper review video. But for now, I guess that's about it. It was pretty simple. There's not really much in the box, at least for my case. Again, I don't know if other countries will have that standard adapter included or not. I thought I would, but I don't. Looks like there's a space for it in the box though, so perhaps some markets may have that. Anyway, for now, if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to see more in the future, and as always, thank you for watching.